Good morning. I am Trinity. It is Monday, May 4th. It is a day 2. Today's I Got Cut reading winner is 5th grader Emily Brown. Stop by the Media Center to claim your prize. Students interested in summer's driver's ed classes should stop in the office and pick up a registration flyer. Eligible students must be 15 years old by December 31st, 2015. Spring is a busy time for sports. Here are some sports who have events tonight. Golf team is at Pebble Creek in Becker against Big Lake in Buffalo. Dismissal from class is at 2:55. 7th and 8th grade softball teams are at Big Lake High School tonight. A games are first. Bus leaves at 3:20. 7th grade baseball team is at East tonight. A and B games will be played at the same time. Bus leaves at 3:20. And now we'll head to the Peak of the Week reporter for the rest of the week's sporting activities.
Good morning, everyone. This is Casey, and here is a look at some of the sporting events happening this week. The 8th grade baseball team will be on the road Tuesday as they travel to Buffalo. Both A and B games play at the same time. On Thursday, they'll take on East at the Big Woods Fields 14 and 15. A and B games will play at the same time. The 7th grade baseball team will be home this week on Tuesday and will be taking on Buffalo. The games start at 3:45. On Wednesday, the boys will play at East, B games only. Thursday, they finish out the week with a game against East here on fields 3 and 4. Games start at 3:45. The 8th grade softball team will take on Buffalo at East on Tuesday and will be on the road Thursday with the 7th grade softball team as they head to Monticello. The golf ball team will be home Tuesday and Thursday, matching up the Cambridge at Sandy both days. Boys tennis team will also be on the road this week. Tuesday's matches will be at Buffalo Middle School and Thursdays at Becker's Middle School. Track team will be home on Thursday. Events start at 4. Good luck to all the athletes. Back to the studio.
5th grade boys interested in information regarding 6th grade fall tackle football should stop in the office and pick up a flyer. Student Council will be holding elections for next year. If you are interested in being a part of a fun group of people who help support, create, and run many school events, grab an application from the office. Applications are due back Wednesday. 8th graders, if you are looking to be a part of the Student Council in the high school, applications are also available in the office as well and due Wednesday. If you have any questions, contact Mrs. Brett or Mrs. Hannon. Here are today's lunch line options. Lines 1 and 2, hamburger on a whole grain bun. Line 3, stuffed pepperoni pizza and lettuce salad. It is the first day of the week, so please say the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Have a great day.